Good morning, students. Today we will start chapter number 15, temperature. Temperature defines the coolness and hotness of the body, and we can say that the degree of hotness and coldness is called as temperature. And we need a device to measure this temperature, and this device is known as thermometer. So thermometer is a device which is used to measure temperature, and this thermometer can be classified in three types, and these are clinical thermometer, Celsius thermometer and Fahrenheit thermometer. Clinical thermometer is used by the doctor. Celsius thermometer, the unit of measurement of temperature is Celsius, which is written as degree Celsius, and Fahrenheit is written as degree Fahrenheit. In Celsius thermometer, freezing point of water is 0 degree centigrade and boiling point is 100 degree, and the normal body temperature in Celsius thermometer is 37 degree Celsius. But in Fahrenheit thermometer, melting point is 32 degree Fahrenheit, boiling point is 212 degree Fahrenheit, and the normal body temperature is 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. We will see your textbook, conversion of scales. So how can we convert Celsius to Fahrenheit and Fahrenheit to Celsius? To convert Celsius to Fahrenheit, multiply by 9/5 and add 32. That means if you want to convert Celsius to Fahrenheit, what we have to do? We will multiply this Celsius by 9/5 and then we will add 32. But if you want to convert Fahrenheit to Celsius, if you want to convert this Fahrenheit to Celsius, what we have to do? We must subtract 32 first. Then we will multiply 5/9. So this is the way to convert Celsius to Fahrenheit and Fahrenheit to Celsius. Now let's begin your exercise 15.1. Question number 1, convert into Celsius scale. So first question is 45 degree Fahrenheit. We have to convert this Fahrenheit into Celsius. So how we will convert? Just see, this is your exercise 15.1 1A. Our first question is 45 degree Fahrenheit, and we have to convert this Fahrenheit into Celsius scale. So what we have to do? 45 degree Fahrenheit is equal to 45 minus 32 into 5/9, because we know what we have to do. We have to subtract with 32 and then we will multiply with 5/9 to convert Fahrenheit to Celsius. So this is 1 into 5/9. 65/9 is equal to 9 7 ja 63.9 to the 18. So 7.2 degree Celsius is our answer. Okay, we will take another question. Suppose it's number E, 212 degree Fahrenheit. This is the question number E, 212 degree Fahrenheit. We have to convert this into Celsius scale. To 12 minus 32, multiply by 5/9. Here 0, and then 11 minus 3, 8. 5 by 9. 9 2s are 8 and 0. What is our answer? Our answer is 100 degree Celsius. So this is our answer. Come to the next question. What is our next question? Convert into Fahrenheit scale. So Celsius scale is given here and we have to convert it into Fahrenheit. So let's see how we will solve it. This is 2A 10 degree Celsius. We have to convert this into Fahrenheit. So 10 degree Celsius is equal to 10 into 9 by 5 plus 32. 5 2s are 10, 18 plus 32 is equal to 50 degree Fahrenheit is our answer. Okay, we will take another question. Suppose it's number E. Number E, 100 degree centigrade. So 100 degree centigrade is equal to 100 into 9 by 5 plus 32. 5 2s are 10 and 0. It's 180 plus 32. 2, 11, 2. So 12 degree to 12 degree Fahrenheit is our answer. Okay students. Now next question. The maximum and minimum temperature on a certain day in Lucknow is 34.8 degree centigrade and 17.2 degree Celsius. That means maximum temperature is 34.8 degree Celsius and minimum is 17.2 degree Celsius. If on the next day the maximum went up by 1.7 degree Celsius. So next day maximum temperature went up by 1.7 degree Celsius. That means 34.8 degree Celsius is increased by 1.7 degree Celsius. That means we have to add this to find out maximum temperature. And minimum went down by 1.2 degree Celsius. That means we have to subtract 1.2 degree Celsius from 17.2 degree Celsius. In this way we will get our minimum. Maximum temperature, what we have to do to find out maximum temperature? We have to add these two temperature, and in this way we will get our maximum. And for minimum temperature, because minimum went down by 1.2 degree, that means we have to subtract this from this, and in this way we will get maximum and minimum temperature on the next day. Now come to the next question. 48 degrees Celsius, 45 degrees Celsius plus 15 degree Fahrenheit. So what we have to do, we have to add this. So first we have to convert this Celsius to Fahrenheit. Okay. Question number 4A. 45 degrees Celsius plus 15 degree Fahrenheit. So we will convert this 45 degrees Celsius to Fahrenheit first. 45 into 9 by 5 plus 32. So 9 9s are 81 plus 32. This is 311 degree Fahrenheit. So 45 degree Celsius plus 15 degree Fahrenheit is equal to 113 degree Fahrenheit plus 15 degree Fahrenheit. 8, 2 and 1. 128 degree Fahrenheit is our answer. So only few questions are left. Few in question number 1, few in question number 2, question number 3 and question number 4B. All these questions are your classwork. So do it in your math notebook. We will start next chapter in our next class.